Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React testing library. Now we are going to learn how to run a specific test with the Create React app. Okay, so how to run it, how to create the test cases, we are going to learn in this video. Let's have a look how we are going to do that. Before those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. Let's open the React project. So this is the project. Okay, so I'm going to open this application, React application, right? So by default app.js is not the default one. Let's create a new test. Okay, so I'm going to create a new test with the counter. So let's make sure whenever you create a component, okay, make sure you have the test with that one. Okay, so first one we will go with the counter.js file. So this is counter.js file. I'm going to create the main component for that one. So here I'm going to create that one. Sorry, this is not that one. Don't save. Let me close all. Okay, so here in the source I'm going to create a new file, counter.js. Okay, so basically increment or decrement. So let's copy this and add this code over here. So basic code for the increment and decrement part, button click, increment, decrement. Okay, so we are going to create a new test case over here. So this is the test case. Make sure the file name should be counter.test to know that this is a test case for that component file. Okay, so here we have the test cases. So let's check the test cases. Okay, so just it's a definition, nothing, but just I'm going to just teach you like how to run the test cases. Okay, so here we have the increment counter when the button is clicked. So we are going to render the counter component, then assert by default the initial count to be 0. Okay, so here we are going to first get by text, so count 0 to be the document, and after the click on the event, so there is a fire click event which I'm going to explain later in detail. Okay, then assert the count with increment 1. So by the first one is 0, then 1 to be in the document. Okay, so this is the logic. So in here you can see that when I click on the increment button, there should be a 1 plus. So same logic I have written. So first whatever that in the document, if it is 0, then get the by text one, then fire the event, click on that one, and get by text increment, and then after that you are going to get by text count should be 1 when it will happen when the button is clicked. Obviously there should be a event to count plus 1. Okay, increment 1 in that current count. So this is the logic that we have added. Let's try to run this test case. Okay, so there are methods. If you want to run a single test, okay, then you have to run npm run test and the test name. So currently my test name is this one, increment decrement button is clicked. So if you want to go with a specific test case, then you have to do like this. And if you run the full-fledged test file, okay, so what we have to do there is, I think I have added the command, this one. So this how you can just run it. Let me open the terminal. Okay, just you need to add npm test and the counter test. Let's see what will happen. Npm scripts not found. Let's choose nvm use node 20. Let's see. Npm restricts scripts not found. Why? Let me check if the test scripts are there or not. Packet.json script is there. Test. Why it's not working? If I go with npm test, then what will happen? React scripts test not found. No version. It's correct. Okay, let's try to do the another one. Npm run script test, then see the npm. Okay, let's check the list the npm, then run. So here let me check what exactly the issue is. I think they should I'm on the right file to do. Yeah, it's in the to do. Okay, and after that in the to do we have this one. Okay, I think it should. Let me check. Let me give me 1 second because I have checked this code and it's working. I don't know why. I think here we have don't have the node modules. I suppose here you can see that we don't have the node modules. We have to install the node modules. Let's go and add nvm use. Okay, let's install npm I. That is missing. That's the reason the React script's not found. It's done. Let's run the test case. Now we can see that. And you can see that the test cases are passed. Okay, let's handle the one of the test case that is to be unsuccess. But here you can see the increment when the button is clicked to win the document. Suppose we are going to get the count by this one, right? So if I'm going to render the component counter in the app.js, that's gonna be different. Here we have the count, right? So increment, and this is count, right? So do something with this one counter test. We have a count, right? So get text by this. We will mention it like here, like this, 441 something. What will happen? We have changed the text, right? Here you can see the test cases failed because we are not, when increments the counter when the button is clicked, but here you can see that we are not getting the text. That's the reason there is an issue. If I go with back, save this, and here you can see the test cases are passed, right? So this is how you are able to run the test cases successfully. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.